We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Lajou portable sauna box for home. Consists of the following features. With its 3 liters steamer, 110 volt voltage, and powerful 1200 watt motor, this sauna room can easily reach a maximum temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, affected by ambient temperature. In addition, it also features rapid heating in just a few minutes, 9 temperature gear adjustments, and a timer function that can be set for 10 to 60 minutes for the great steam sauna. Our sauna box measures 35.4 x 35.4 x 70.9 inches, ensuring you have enough space to stretch and relax. And we offer a waterproof folding chair that can hold up to 250 kg, allowing you to choose between standing or sitting to fully enjoy a spacious and comfortable sauna experience. The clear window allows you to relax and enjoy the benefits of sauna therapy while still being able to see outside. A convenient pocket provides storage for your essentials, while the double zipper ensures easy access. Made with waterproof fabric and a sturdy construction, the steam room is built to last. This home sauna is equipped with automatic power-off safety protection, ensuring a worry-free sauna experience. If the water is boiled dry, the steamer will automatically power off, and once the normal temperature is restored, you can use your portable sauna again. It has the function of leakage and explosion prevention, ensuring your safety. This personal sauna promotes skin health, detoxification, improving sleep, promoting blood circulation, relieving muscle fatigue, reducing stress, and deep relaxation. By using the portable steam sauna regularly, you can experience faster recovery from workouts, reduced inflammation, and overall improved well-being. With its easy installation process that takes just 5 minutes, this home sauna can be set up and ready to use in no time. Its portable and foldable design allows you to enjoy a spa-like experience anywhere, and its folding size means it can be easily stored when not in use. Say goodbye to bulky sauna units that take up too much space. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.